Guys, what usually takes longer when you're creating content? Writing the ideas or actually turning them into visuals? For most teams, the real struggle begins after the text is already written. You open a design editor, start adjusting fonts, moving elements around, fixing spacing, and suddenly a simple post or presentation turns into a long design session. And most tools still work the same way. Platforms like Canva start with templates. Some newer tools start with prompts. But either way, you still spend a lot of time shaping the design instead of focusing on the content itself. That's exactly the problem Veeso AI is trying to solve. In simple terms, Veeso flips the whole design process. Instead of starting with templates or prompts, it starts with the only thing that actually matters: your raw content. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. So today we are going to test a pretty bold idea. Can AI really turn raw text into polished, production-ready designs without templates, prompts, or manual layout work? I'll show you how to generate a social media carousel from plain text, how the editor allows you to control every element of the layout, and how Veeso can even turn a long PDF report into a structured visual presentation. Let's jump into the workspace and see how this tool behaves in a real workflow. Alright guys, we are now inside the Veeso workspace, and let's imagine we need to create a social media carousel about the latest AI trends. Normally you would start with an empty template and then spend time manually arranging text blocks, images, and spacing until everything looks balanced. Here, however, the workflow is very different. That's exactly how tools like Canva typically work. You begin with a template and then spend time adapting your content to fit the design. Instead of designing the layout first, I simply copied the text that I prepared earlier and pasted directly into Veeso. Notice that I'm not thinking about formatting, colors, or typography at this stage. I'm just inserting a list of ideas. This is basically raw content, something you might have written in Google Docs, Notion, or a simple notes file. In this case, the topic is Top 5 AI Trends, and once the text is in place, I simply click the Generate button. This is where the platform really starts to shine, friends. Veeso analyzes the structure of the text and automatically breaks it into separate slides. It understands that we are talking about several trends, so it creates a logical slide structure and begins building the core concepts for each slide. From there, it generates the visuals step by step, creating a full sequence from the introduction all the way to the final slide. Within seconds, we get a complete carousel with generated images and structured layouts. And what's impressive here is the design quality. These slides already look like something a designer could have created manually. Clean typography, balanced spacing, and strong visual hierarchy. The slides already follow professional presentation principles. There isn't too much text, the visual hierarchy is clear, and the design remains consistent across the entire sequence. That's exactly the kind of structure marketing teams usually try to achieve when creating social media carousels. Of course, mates, we're not locked into the generated result. One of the most useful features in Veeso is the ability to edit any element of the design. We can change the text, replace images, move elements around, or completely adjust the layout if we want to. What I personally like here is that the slides stay clean, concise, and visually consistent, while still giving us full flexibility to customize the content. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now let's move on to another powerful capability of Veeso: working with large documents. Imagine that you have a long PDF report with dozens of pages, and you suddenly need to turn it into a presentation as quickly as possible. Normally, that would require copying paragraphs manually, restructuring the content, and designing slides one by one. Instead, we simply upload the document directly into the platform. For this example, I'm using a technical report from NASA, and Veeso immediately begins analyzing the document, extracting the key insights, and identifying the most important sections. This is somewhat similar to what tools like Notebook.lm try to do when summarizing documents. But here the goal is not just understanding the text, it's actually transforming it into a visual design. Based on this information, we can ask the platform to generate something like an educational guide for students, built directly from the structure of the report. Once we send the request, the AI processes the document while preserving the logical flow of the information. And if we look at the result, folks, we can immediately see the difference. Instead of a massive wall of text, we now have a series of organized slides that present the information clearly, almost like a structured infographic. The platform automatically generates headings, bullet points, and visual sections that make the content much easier to understand. Again, the key idea here is that we started with raw content, a dense technical document, and within seconds it became a polished visual presentation. This is incredibly useful for marketing teams, educators, or content creators who often need to transform complex reports into accessible material very quickly. Guys, another important thing to remember is that even though the visuals are generated automatically, you still keep full control over the design. Many people worry that AI-generated content might be difficult to edit afterwards, but that's not the case here. If we look at the editor interface, we can adjust almost everything, from fonts and colors to layout and spacing. For example, the platform selected the Artemis plan style, which already looks great, but we can easily personalize it further. We might want to tweak the color palette, add a gradient accent, or change the typography to something like Inter or Montserrat from the Google Fonts library. If we need to rearrange elements on the slide, the editor provides a convenient grid system that keeps everything perfectly aligned. Folks, this means we can move blocks around without breaking the layout or losing visual balance. Images are also very flexible. We can replace any image by uploading our own file, or we can ask the platform to generate a new one that better fits the idea of the slide. For example, I want to add a bit more realism and scale to one of the visuals. So I start a new image generation and choose the version that fits the design best. And as you can see, mates, everything stays neatly aligned within the slide grid while we edit the content. The key takeaway here is that you stay fully in control of the design process, even though the initial structure and visuals were created automatically. Folks, after going through these examples, it becomes pretty clear what makes Veeso different from traditional design tools. Instead of spending most of your time building layouts manually, the platform focuses on what actually matters first: your content. Most design tools start with templates, some start with prompts, but Veeso starts with your raw copy and turns it into a polished design automatically. It analyzes the structure of your ideas, generates a polished visual layout, and gives you a strong starting point within seconds. At the same time, you're never locked into the generated result. Guys, you can still adjust typography, swap images, rearrange elements, and refine the design until everything looks exactly the way you want. So in a way, this tool represents a shift in the design process itself, from manual layout building to content-first design generation. For teams that regularly create social media carousels, presentations, reports, or educational materials, this kind of workflow can save a significant amount of time while still maintaining full creative control. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.